So these are the materials required for the color wheel. Let's get started. Now take the half pop and the holder bit. Now insert the half pop into the holder bit and place the motor bit into the half pop. You have to push entire motor bit into the half pop. Then place this assembly into the multi-pop stand. So for stand, you have to refer the basic steps. You have to place the half pop so that the motor bit comes out. Now take the pulley bit and put this bump side onto the axle of the motor. Now take the color wheel and double-sided tape. Push out one double-sided tape and stick it to the center of the color wheel. Place your finger like this and now peel off the double-sided tape one side and stick. And peel the other side also of the double-sided tape and stick it to the pulley. You have to make sure that it is a center. To connect the battery and the rocker switch and motor, you can refer the basic steps, but here we are connecting the rocker switch with the battery. Then the other end of the rocker switch to the motor bit and place the battery holder on the multi-pop stand. Now our setup for the color wheel is ready. Now switch on the motor using the rocker switch and observe. Explore different colors combinations and spin the disc using the sketch pens and the plain disc given. Okay, happy tinkering and happy doing.